Hi guys, so you've sketched out your design onto your tracing paper. Again, make sure that you've been leaning quite heavy. You are going to flip it upside down. So you're going to put it pencil side down on top of your lino tile. You can use masking tape to hold your tracing paper in place. Really carefully, you are going to outline again the image that you have just drawn, so whether it was Captain Marvel, Captain America, etc. But you're going to lean it quite heavy so that your pencil line will transfer through, as you can see in this video. Again, as you can see, and you'll be able to see in your own example, it is quite light, and we are going to be doing a 4-colour print, which means that you are going to have to have the cutting process 4 times and washing your tile in between, which means we need to outline it in permanent marker. Once you've done that, you're going to start using your cutting tools. So as you can see, you have a selection of blades and cutting tools that you can use, various blades, different things, and you'll be able to see there's differences in the gradients and the kind of point of your blade. Initially, you are going to cut out the outline of your shape. Now you must ensure that you refer back to your lino print plan. So that is where you have your coloured sections. You're going to start cutting out your lightest colour first. So for example, in my design I have yellow, so the yellow area is the area that I'm going to cut out first. As you can see from this example here, you're going to outline the section first and then you can start to cut into the broader section. This means that you can then switch up your tool. So I would use the really kind of sharp pointed V for your outline. You'll be able to get a nice defined line there, and then you can use the wider scoop in order to take out more of the surface area. Again, making sure that you are constantly referring to your lino print plan, and as you can see, I am always cutting away from myself, so you never cut towards you. So again, I cannot stress enough how important it is to make sure that you are always cutting away from yourself, that you don't have your opposite hand in front of your blade or your tool at any time. Make sure, as you can see in the video here, that you are constantly rotating your tile, making sure again that you are following the health and safety instructions laid out to you by your teacher. You are going to repeat this process for every new colour, again consistently referring to your lino print plan, gradually working your way through the colours. So I start with my yellow and then I go to my next lightest shade and I work on so on and so forth. The very last colour that I will have will either be my darkest colour, so it could be a dark purple, dark blue, that you can see in my example here, it might be black. You will leave that will be the only thing that you do not cut, the only thing that won't be cut out on your lino tile, and that will be your final print.